Are you struggling to sell books or courses? Finding it near impossible to enroll new clients? Well, I'm going to share with you the one thing that will help you attract your ideal clients, grow your following, and build your business. I know how frustrating it is to have a product or service that you know can change someone's life for the better, but it's just not getting bought because no one knows who you are or how great your product is. Well, I am Dr. Andrea Pennington, Managing Director of Make Your Mark Global and creator of the Authentic Personal Branding Bootcamp. I have been successfully sharing my message, products, and programs around the world for 2 decades and helping my clients and my students do the same. From major TV networks to huge conferences and podcasts, I've been chosen to share my insights with large audiences. And thanks to this high visibility, I've had my books become bestsellers and courses sold out within days of their launch. And I bet this is what you'd love to be doing in the future, right? Having the confidence and peace that people see who you are, trust that what you do is valuable, and pay for your offers with ease. Well, that's what it's like for me now, but it wasn't always like this. When I first moved to the French Riviera, I had to start over from ground zero with my business. No one here knew who I was. I was only known in the USA due to my TV appearances. But I dreamed that someday I would be traveling around Europe, teaching and inspiring audiences, selling my books, and growing my mentoring business. But it was really a struggle at first, because I had to adjust to the culture, and each country I visited was different. And I worked really hard to adapt my approach to each audience, and I kind of felt unsure of whether I could connect with them in an authentic way. And then I discovered one thing that changed it all. And as I started to change my work based on this one thing, doors were open to me with ease. And I got booked in country after country, on TV and radio, on stage, and in magazines. Now I've built up my private brand consulting business and my Global Luminary Academy to the point of having a 6-month waiting list. And I'm so proud of what I've been able to help my students and clients achieve with this same system. And today I'm really fulfilled that my work is fully aligned with my personality and my soul's mission. This one thing that I'll share with you now has helped me to fully embrace who I am and naturally become the visionary and leader of a movement that is beyond my wildest dreams. Well, if you're anything like me, then I bet you want to just show up and do what you love in the way that works for you and your clients without having to worry about how to sell it. Am I right? Well, the one thing that will allow you to do just that is to become a recognized personal brand. And it's easier than you think. If I showed you how you could follow a proven framework for building your heart-inspired business while being 100% aligned with your unique self, sharing your passion for what you do, all while naturally attracting and connecting with soul-aligned clients who are happy and enthusiastic to pay for the value you provide, all while growing, expanding, and stepping into the next level of your potential. Would that make you feel good? Well, here's what I've got for you. The Authentic Personal Branding Bootcamp is going to help you do exactly that. So if you will just click the button here, I will give you a sneak peek into the Personal Branding Bootcamp and the system that I use. I want to help you get immediate and lasting results, so you can join me on a free taster session and just try it out. You can see the way I teach and the way I coach. You can even download the worksheets and get started on building your personal brand. I know that you have brilliance inside of you that you are dying to share with the world. And before you can sell it, you've got to learn how to build the personal brand that will set the stage for everything to follow. So I look forward to sharing a little bit more with you about the Authentic Personal Branding Bootcamp.